Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the battery replacement process on your Dyson SV10, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small bowl to keep screws organized. Ensure your vacuum is unplugged and completely turned off before starting. Start by locating the two screws at the back of the vacuum, near the battery compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in your bowl for safekeeping. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery compartment cover away from the main body of the vacuum. Next, you will see the battery itself secured with two additional screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. Be cautious not to strip the screws as you unscrew them. If you find it difficult to remove the screws, a flathead screwdriver can help to gently pry them out. After removing the screws, carefully disconnect the battery from the vacuum by pulling the connector away from the socket. If you encounter any resistance, double-check to ensure all screws have been removed. If you're wondering about the right replacement battery, make sure to purchase an authentic Dyson SV10 battery for optimal performance. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector, ensuring the tabs fit perfectly. Press down firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the battery is securely connected. Replace the two screws that hold the battery in place. Remember to tighten them but avoid over-tightening to prevent damage. Next, reattach the battery compartment cover. Align it properly and press it into place, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws at the back of the vacuum to secure the cover. Once everything is reassembled, it's a good idea to clean the internal area where the battery was housed. Use a dry cloth or a soft brush to remove any dust or debris. Keeping this area clean can help prolong the life of your new battery. If at any point you feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the battery replacement, ensuring it's done correctly and safely. Before you finish, double-check that all screws are tight and the battery cover is secure. Now, plug in your vacuum and give it a test run to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Just get a quote before any repair work begins. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery on your Dyson SV10. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can keep your vacuum running smoothly for years to come. Happy cleaning! Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.